Sheet-to-Slide bot automatically converts Excel data into PowerPoint slides with charts, tables, and formatted content. Everything you need ready in minutes. In a typical scenario, every morning, the finance team prepares a performance deck using Excel reports. Manually turning this data into slides takes time. Sheet-to-Slide solves this by generating a presentation in seconds, with charts, summaries, and visuals all automated. Here are the two input files: a finance dashboard in Excel and a presentation template in PowerPoint. The bot uses both to generate your final deck. On the left is the raw Excel data. On the right is the structure of the PowerPoint you want to create. This bot maps your content and builds slides accordingly. Let's log in securely to the Ambot 365 platform. Once logged in, select Sheet-to-Slide bot from the dashboard and we are ready to go. The bot is already trained and scheduled. We simply click the Run button to activate the automation. Select the Excel file and the PowerPoint template, then click Run. The bot instantly begins generating the slides. The bot completes the transformation and shows a summary. All charts, tables, and content have been updated successfully. Here's the generated PowerPoint file, saved and ready for presentation. As the output, 4 slides have been created with real-time data updates, exactly as structured in the Excel. Each slide is updated in seconds. No formatting, no copy-paste, just a presentation-ready deck built by automation.